So it's a lovely day in Baños today. Where are we going?
We're going to the biking tour all days.
Biking tour all day. So we're going down 7 waterfalls,
Yes.
cascadas in Spanish. This is Adrian. Say hey. So we didn't get very far, about 5 minutes up the hill, and Aaron's gone back to get me another bike because my tyre is flat. Here comes the saviour. Did you get a new bike? Did you have to get a new bike? Thank you. Ooh, he really got wet. He's just abandoning his car. Woohoo! You missed it!
Yeah, because you got a bag on.
Honestly, I am soaked right now. I'm not sure how many waterfalls we are into the 7 waterfall cycle ride, but we've gone past a couple of zip lines. Me and Aaron haven't had any drinks and our nerves aren't quite there yet, so we've decided just to go on one of these little gondola sort of cages. I'll take you guys for the ride. So we're just ready to go on the gondola. It's shaking quite a lot. Whoa. We're going to see this waterfall. Woo! Let's go home. Ooh, would you have done the zip lining? Yeah. Hold on. Did you enjoy it?
No.
Oh, are we staying on? Are we getting off or are we staying on?
No.
Gracias. Gracias. Oh my god, that was scary, you know. It's got some speed on it, hasn't it?
That's worse.
Going backwards.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's a bit much. Well, my legs are like jelly. Incredible. And we're back home. Thank God for that. Bye bye. Solid ground. Yeah! That was pretty decent. Gracias.
Wow. Well, that was nerve-wracking.
Yeah, back on solid ground. This is the fish for the restaurant. You gonna have fish for dinner, babe?
Why not?
This restaurant here. Look at you! Look at you! You wanna go fishing? Oh, stop it! I gotta come and hug this puppy. Puppy! Puppy! Hello, puppy! Hiya! Oh, you are so cute. Oh.
Adrian. Oh no!
Oh, he's gonna bite into earphones. Look how blue his eyes are. Hello. Hiya. Hey, puppy. Oh. Hello.
Hey. 2 puppies. Wow.
Cute pup. Ciao. Bye bye. The heavens have opened on us. We have just had a little stop. We keep stopping to take pictures and we keep losing Adrian because obviously this is normal to him, but we're being proper tourists.
Mira. Abre la boca.
What does it taste like?
Water. Agua.
Was it? It was warm. Oh no. dry my camera.
Waterfall.
What's this waterfall called?
We are in the Pailon Del Diablo, so you need to come here.
Yeah! is this? Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god! Kenny! Kenny! Look how little. How are you finding crawling through these tiny holes?
Fine.
Hit a road jam. So when you come down from a waterfall, you get a ticket to go across this bridge. Hola! Gracias! It's a wobbly bridge. You look like a drowned rat. Somebody's shaking the bridge. Aaron doesn't like it. Look at you holding on. Thankfully, we're not gonna have to cycle all the way back up those hill time. This guy's taking our bikes home. We're in our little bus. No, it doesn't look as burnt on here.
Look at that. My face is on fire. So my arms are on fire.
So it is back from the bicycle waterfall tour. So you do the 7 waterfalls with the bike, and we didn't really think about sunscreen because it hasn't really been too sunny here, but Aaron's red raw. Highly recommend it, guys. It was really good. Just some tips for you: make sure you've got some cash to get into the waterfalls and things. Make sure you've got a raincoat or a poncho, failing that spare pair of clothes if you want to go and get right submerged into the waterfall like we did. Just looked like drowned rats, but it was awesome. Easily one of the best things we've done here in Baños. So if you are coming, I do highly recommend go and do that. The bikes are around $10 a day to rent, and yeah, really good excursion. So we've been in Baños for about 3 weeks now, and we are wondering when we are going to leave. We want to do a little bit in the jungle, maybe do some ayahuasca. I think we'll be wrapping this vlog up soon, which is pretty sad because we've made some really good friends here in Baños. Like, we start to know people now, you know, when we're walking down the main street and things. So yeah, it's been awesome here. It's really little and like Jersey-esque, so we've enjoyed it. 100% if you're coming to Ecuador, make sure you stop in Baños. And that's in the next one where we go on an amazing jungle tour in Puyo. This is about an hour outside of Baños, and it was easily one of the best days of my life. We went to an animal sanctuary, we visited indigenous tribes, and saw one of the most breathtaking views ever.